Builder here. Okay, we're continuing on with our project here. We're making a mold. We're actually experimenting on using Styrofoam for a mold. And I just want to take a minute here and just show you a quick little tip here for that you can use with any kind of mold that you're building actually. One thing that makes life easy when you're doing mold building is if you actually put the platform that you've mounted the model on, if you put it onto a Lazy Susan so that you can rotate it around easily, and it just makes life so much easier. Now, it's a good idea maybe just to start this before you actually mount your model, but you can do it afterward. In this case here, it's rather flat, so it's easy to do. Basically what you do is you just find the center of your board here, so you can mount your Lazy Susan directly in the center. You start out with a square, just draw a line from corner to corner, and find the center of the board here. Now, because the Lazy Susan is actually got a square base on it, to find the center is actually quite easy. What you do is you just simply put this on and line it up so that each of the four bolt holes or screw holes here is evenly divided by the line here. Now, that works good with a base that's square, but because this one's rectangular, it's not going to work as well. So what we're going to do, since we actually have to have a 45-degree, a 90-degree axis in order to find the exact center, we're just going to take our square like this and put that to the center point, and we're going to draw that line out there and do the same back over here on the other side and complete that line through. Okay, and that will actually tell us now where the center is. Just simply line this up so that all four openings are evenly divided, and this Lazy Susan is now directly in the center of your board. And you can now take your screws and screw them down. Now, I've got a 3/4 inch board here and a 3/4 inch screw. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to use one of these things. It's called a finishing washer. And that, because sometimes when you sink screws into wood, it countersinks below the surface. Just to make sure that the tip of my screw doesn't go through and come off the face of the board here, I'm just going to use one of these finishing washers. They're washers, they got a little indent in them, and that just holds the head of the screw nicely so that it can't sink into the wood, and that'll just ensure that we stay on the surface here. And hopefully I've got the right bit in my drill, and just simple as that. And once you get this installed, it just makes life so much easier for your modeling. As you can turn your work now to any side. And you're free to work. There we go. That rotates nice and freely. And there's our model ready for working on. And I can work on any side of this now, and it's I can just sit here and work, and it's nice, free, easy access to everything. And like I said, I mean, this works good for any kind of modeling project, whether you're doing a brick or a boat or a plane or whatever it is that you're making. That's actually a handy thing to have around for lots of things.